Are you ready to transform your mornings? Introducing the Perfect Scrambled Eggs Guide, designed specifically for health-conscious individuals seeking not just a meal, but an experience. Begin your day by unlocking the secrets to fluffy, flavorful scrambled eggs. The journey starts with fresh mushrooms, adding a burst of flavor and texture that elevates your breakfast to a whole new level. But we do not stop there. This guide shows you how to incorporate vibrant colors into your plate, making breakfast visually appealing and nutritious. Say goodbye to rushed mornings. With our low and slow cooking technique, enjoy the perfect balance of taste and consistency. In just 10 minutes, your kitchen will fill with the delicious aroma of perfectly scrambled eggs, expertly crafted to enhance your health and satisfaction. This guide is more than just cooking. It is about upgrading your breakfast routine to be quick, nutritious, and flavorsome. Join the culinary revolution and make every breakfast a celebration. Grab your Perfect Scrambled Eggs Guide today and start crafting mornings that are not just meals, but memories worth savoring.